Power's out, the fridge is dead. You're hungry and time's ticking. Could you cook a full meal without electricity? Stick around. I'll show you survivalist cooking methods that'll keep your belly full when the grid goes down. Whether it's a blackout, storm, or off-grid scenario, knowing how to cook without power is more than convenient. It's essential. In today's Survivalist Kitchen, we're covering 5 reliable, no-power cooking methods you can master right now, plus the tools you need to make them work. First up, the rocket stove. My go-to for emergencies. It's compact, uses sticks and twigs for fuel, and delivers high heat with low smoke. You can buy one or make one with bricks or cans. Perfect for boiling water or cooking soups and rice. No outdoor space? Go with a sterno stove or alcohol burner. They're great for small meals or reheating food and can be used indoors with ventilation. Keep a few cans in your emergency bin. They store for years. If there's sunlight, you've got fire. A solar oven uses reflective panels to trap heat. It's slow, but totally fuel-free. Just think of it like a crock pot for emergencies. It's great for stews, rice, and even baking bread. Old school still works, you know. Your backyard charcoal grill or even a safe campfire pit can cook just about anything, from meats to beans. Just make sure you store charcoal, lighter fluid, and fire starter gear in your prep kit. No matter the method, keep these essentials on hand. A cast iron skillet, a pot with a lid, a long lighter, a manual can opener, and heat-resistant gloves. And don't forget, fuel runs out. Skills don't. So learn before you need it. Power or no power, you don't have to go hungry. These off-grid cooking methods can get you through blackouts, disasters, or even just a weekend in the woods. If you learned something today, hit like, subscribe, and share in the comments. What's your go-to cooking method when the lights go out? Until next time, stay calm, stay capable, and stay fed.